petit voyage à Johannesburg, d'Afrique du Sud avec Lucky Dube. C'est une des plus grosses stars d'Afrique. Il mélange le reggae et quelques racines zoulou. Écoutez bien Lucky Dube, il commence avec Blaze the Woman. Lucky Dube, mesdames et messieurs. Lucky Dubé. La scène du Top Live avec Lucky Dubé. Voici Phil Irae. Lucky Dubé.
Trouble will find us one way or another, yeah. People had worries since the Pope was an altar boy. People had troubles from when the Dead Sea was only critical. Oh, yeah. Free. it, how it started. We've been talking about it, where it came from. Wait a minute, it doesn't matter now. We're not from how it started, but what matters is we have seen it going all over the world. Yeah. We have seen it shutting down Babylon. We know where it's been, and we know where it's going. Oh yeah. We talk about serious reggae business. We talk about the serious reggae business. We gonna talk about reggae business. We gonna talk about serious reggae business. We gonna talk about serious reggae business. Some say it came from Jamaica. Some say it came from Africa. Some say it came from England. Oh, some say it came from I don't know where. But we know where it's been, and we know what it's done. I'm talking about it. Doesn't matter where it comes from. I'm talking about the serious reggae business. We're gonna talk about serious reggae business. We gonna talk about tell me what you've got. We gonna talk about tell me what you've got. Thank you. This one also from the new CD called Trinity. This is the one called They Call Me Trinity, cause my game is unity. This one is called Trinity. must have think you're gonna come for me. You're sleeping with your guardian head. You think I'm gonna make my move. I've been chasing white people all my life. You've been chasing black people all your life. Now that we know where we went wrong, it is time some truth came out here. You're going to educate me about white people. I will educate you about black people. And will unite. That is why they call me Trinity. 'Cause my game is unity. Listen, they call me my game is unity. They call me my game is unity. I am free. 'Cause my game is unity. My brothers have been chasing racists all the time. Your brothers have been chasing freedom fighters every day. But at the end of the day, we didn't know much about each other. Yeah. You saw a black man, you saw a criminal. I saw a white man, I saw an oppressor. But now that we know where we went wrong, let's unite. You're going to educate me about white people. I will educate you about black people. That is why they call me Trinity. They call me my name is unity. They call me all I want, all I need is unity. Reggae!
Lucky Dubé, il sera demain en concert au New Morning et il était ce soir sur la scène du Top Live. Son nouvel album s'appelle Trinity. Petite réaction de nos candides à l'Élysée-Montmartre, pardon, demain, Lucky Dubé. Petite réaction,
c'est bien,
Dominique Farrugia comme ça au hasard.
Non, c'est bien. Moi, j'aime bien. C'est du reggae, non, c'est bien. C'est pas
chapeau et tout.
Alain Chabat.
Non, mais c'était bien pour les gens qui n'ont pas la couleur et qui peuvent pas voir la radio. C'est qu'il y avait les choristes dansent et c'est vraiment bien, quoi.
Dans de superbes chemises
Ouais,
oranges.
je ne sais pas.
Elles sont gracieuses.
Oui, elles sont très belles. Bah, est-ce que eux, ça
Ouais,
fait
ça
de
sent
la
le
radio
peps,
ici
ça sent
Ah ouais, ça sent
la joie de vivre.
Bravo.
Lucky Dubé, mesdames et messieurs, allez. Bonsoir, venir.
Bonsoir.
Salut brother. Lucky, vous êtes originaire d'Afrique du Sud, de Johannesburg. Vous faites du reggae. Quelle est la part de racines zoulou dans ce que vous faites dans votre musique? Parce qu'il y a quand même un petit peu de zoulou dans votre musique, non?
Yeah, well, what happens is that I started playing music, doing Zulu Mbaqanga music.
Ce qui s'est passé, c'est qu'il a commencé à jouer de la musique Zulu, Gatanga.
Mbaqanga.
Voilà.
Tanga.
Yeah, that's good. That's good. Yes. And,
Je suis un peu sud-africain à l'intérieur.
A little bit South African.
and so when I started doing reggae, I wanted to do different reggae from Jamaican reggae and English reggae. I wanted my own reggae.
Et quand il a commencé à jouer du reggae, il a voulu faire quelque chose de différent de ce qui se faisait déjà en Jamaïque et en Angleterre. Donc il a voulu faire son propre reggae.
Lucky, le reggae était interdit en Afrique du Sud. Votre album Rastas Never Die a été interdit en 88 sur les ondes de la radio nationale d'Afrique du Sud.
Yeah.
Pourquoi le reggae était-il interdit? C'est la musique de l'unité black?
Black Unity Music, was it the reason?
Anything in South Africa that had the word apartheid in it was not allowed on the radio.
N'importe quoi en Afrique du Sud qui avait le mot apartheid dedans et n'était pas permis à la radio.
Yeah, so that is why reggae music, the government was not very much in favor of reggae music.
Et c'est pourquoi le gouvernement n'aimait pas trop le reggae.
Yes, and so that it was very difficult at that time to do reggae music freely in South Africa.
Et c'était très très difficile dans ce temps-là de jouer librement du reggae.
Lucky Dubé. Allez,
Thank you.
demain